So far, as you can see, the current price action on USNASS100 price has consistently been creating lower highs and lower lows. As you can see, a lower high and a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So this right here, we're currently on the 4-hour time frame, and the 4-hour time frame already is showing us a downtrend, and this is our swing low, swing high, and that's right here, the break of structure on the 4-hour time frame. And this is one thing that most traders struggle with a lot of the time, because they see the market on the intraday levels consistently creating lower highs and lower lows. They fail to realize that the overall trend remains to the upside, and all we're looking for is an opportunity for a buy, opportunity for price to come to a discount zone, and an opportunity for a continuation to the upside. And in this video today, I'm going to share with you my opinion, key levels that I'm watching very closely on USNASS100, and the reason why I'm watching those key levels. Firstly, the first thing I usually do before I look at any pair on the intraday levels, the first thing I do is to look at the bigger time frame perspective. I go to the 3-month time frame. Am I bullish or bearish? This is absolutely bullish. The moment I do the analysis from the 3-month time frame, I'm absolutely bullish. I go straight to 6-month, I'm absolutely bullish. Now let's go back to the real time, to the current price action. Current price action on the monthly, I'm absolutely bullish. We now start to scale down on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm absolutely bullish. I have not even a single amount of bearishness is in me for US 100. Now, this doesn't mean that you should jump into the chart and start buying USNASS 100. I always need to see some confirmations, key levels, and one of those key levels, the first one I want to see is I use my Fibonacci from the low to the high on the weekly time frame. And right there, you can see this is my discount zone. So if I want to buy NAS 100, I want to start looking for a potential buy at a discount zone, and currently price is at a discount. What's the next thing I do? I start to scale down to the daily time frame. I want to see things that could potentially bring price to the downside. And now if we go back to the weekly time frame, you can see very well right here we'll have a high, and then we'll have a break of structure right there. And after that break of structure, this last down close candle came down back down to mitigate the high before a potential expansion to the upside. Two things are involved right here. One, it's either price is going to come in here, mitigate this key level, and reverse from there. If that doesn't work, then this key level would be the next key level that I'll be watching. So it's either this key level right here will be the support zone that will take us to continue to the upside. If this key level doesn't work, the next key level that I'll watch would be right here. Why right here? Because this key level right here is my extreme discount. Now, another thing I'm going to show you, if we start to scale down to use other time frames, like the 4-day time frame, to have a better overview of what the market is doing. And right here, we can see created a low here, a high, a low, and then a high. Now, if we draw a Fibonacci from this low to this high, I'll remove this other one. Now, if we draw a Fibonacci from this low to this high, now we go to daily. We can see this key level, extreme discount. We'll go to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see right there an inefficiency right there resting inside an extreme discount zone. So it doesn't mean I'm just going to randomly jump into the market and start buying from that key level. What I do is I wait for a reaction. If I see a 15-minute shift of market structure from this key level, I'll look for a buy setup. And if I don't see a 15-minute shift of market structure, then I'll just be on the sidelines. It just simply means that this low is going to go, and then price will potentially want to come back into this extreme discount of the overall swing low and the overall swing high. So this is the key level I'm watching, and so far we go to 15 minutes time frame, and you can see price came into that extreme discount, and after mitigating the extreme discount, you can see how it's reacting from that key level. So right now, right here, we have sell side liquidity Right there, we have sell side liquidity, and I'll be anticipating for price to come to that sell side liquidity right there. I won't be surprised to see a run on sell side liquidity like this. I would be surprised to see that. And then if I see this, and then I see something like this, breaking above the high created here, I'll look for a retest like this. I'll look for a retest, and then within that retest, I'll also look for another entry for a re-entry position on that same trade using the high as a re-entry. So here will be my first entry, here will be my second entry. So that is if I do see a break of structure on the 15 minutes time frame. So this is what I'm watching, and if you found this insightful, give it a thumbs up or follow for more. And if you do want more personalized support from our team or from myself, feel free to drop us a personal message, and someone in our team is going to contact you and then direct you on the next things to do. So I appreciate you, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Have an amazing day.